freestyle name song. Mafi. Deal with it.
From like vanillin. Next one by the dust.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Guyana. I'm telling you, show me the love. I'm showing about the love, Guess what? Today, a second Guyanese video I post for today, The second one, What you know about that? Right now, the song name, Rifle Up, by Mafi. You hear me I say? You be my spam down on that too. You see me I say? Yeah. Like out the video, people. Comment on this video to see your comment which part. Which part? In the next video that I post, I guess how much time I post for the day. Numerous times for the bumbucker belt day. Numerous times. I'm going to say again, people, show me the love. I'm showing about the love. Road to 30,000 subscribers is real. Thank you all for 22k subscribers. You hear me I say? You don't know stopping. I want to stuck at 22. You don't know the few number. But yeah, me I say the man, Mafi. Rifle Up. Mafi, see the first time I react to your youth? Bumbucker. Mafi, see it there? See it there? See it there? Mafi. Sang bada. So you know what go on now, Mafi? No, you know what go on now, Mafi? Yo, people, want big up to one Dan from Z-Tech on Instagram. Big up your bumbucker self, you. This is man I share everything on my post, dog. Every bumbucker thing on my post, brother, and support the movement over Instagram, that's a youth. I shouldn't even know. Big up yourself, you. See it there? See it there? Run tune! Them man I get cross. Them man I get angry. You get a reaction, boss reaction to it. It's the last reaction I'm going on from Guyana. The one that the name again. Who sang that? To remember I sang it. I'm saying for the writer song. But I kind of the one that real people. I did that whole vibes. I did that go easy. I did that go easy. You understand? But watch out now. Go on.
Bout you run my place. You must lose your meds.
He come back with a bad man flow like we think a Jamaican he come from. He come back with a bad flow like a Jamaican forward from people. Boy, you're running place. Go on, man. Go on.
The same DJ would get beat pan bed. Brand new rifle a squeeze pan them from. You say 1 mile that I instant dead fool.
Pause. As somebody in my clash with, I think see somebody send me that bumbucker bell song and dog and say, he might distract to somebody, The same DJ who get beat pan what? What? I want to go on here to so many know about. I hope I face him a crowd up so. Go on.
Next one by the dust. All of my blood clot rifle up.
Cha!
To them boy I was sizing up.
Boy get the dust, The man say all them rifle them up. What the boy them a do what? Yo, don't and me alone said the man like a Jamaican come from in a dog. And it wasn't me alone. I wasn't the only one who said Mafi in a real people sound like he is a Jamaican. The flow, this is me, the lyrics and the man put. Yo, watch you don't even know. Go on, you know going for that one now.
Them can't style me, them not bright enough.
Cha!
Next one by the dust.
Cha!
All of my blood clot rifle.
Pause. The man say them can't style him because them don't bright enough for no dance. The man just sound no dance. I don't even realize I dance the man sound dance because I don't even bright enough. I understand the man just sound no dance. How you deal with them, sir? Oh, you deal with them, sir? Run tune.
I do them boy I was sizing up.
Cha!
Them can't style me, them not bright enough. Them a try reach me leverage. 1 mile boss me.
Hold on, before you start murder them. You know realize say, if you are one of them artists that we are try style Mafi right now, you realize that them man are very, very intelligent, right? You realize the lyrics I'm gonna put forth on the ears, right? You realize that them man are gonna bomb in the place right now, right? With lyrics. Don't get it twisted, right? You realize that man is supposed to wipe out the place right now, right? You better come with the white flag, You see me? You better follow with the white flag, Watch it now. Watch it, tell her.
No afraid and no beverage. Anyway, you them swear me, I go squeeze everything. No forgiveness, no beef, not settling.
What me tell you now? What me tell you, say? Me know, me not even for years, song before me know what the man a forward with. The man I got dog up on the face. Mafi. Deal with it. Rebel 6, pick up yourself. Red June!
Them style outdated like double sim. Hope Miss Broom can save you when you're suffering. Everybody witness them burying Maggie laid down on the...
The rest of the instrument and now play. Oh, the rest of the man that you turn on the beat. The man kill the beat. Freestyle name song. Mafi. Deal with it.
Ground like vanillin. Next one by the dust. All of my blood clot.
Right full of bumper.
To them boy I was.
Chorus and pint. Song and pint. People dead. Yo, my love Clash, you know. You see me now? I don't know the reaction, boss. I'm the Clash hype man. I don't know me the pass boss from Bumbo Clock morning, you know. Me pass one song all 10,000 times. I saw my turn. You see me I say? Because I'm there for the reaction. No. I'm not there for listen to the song. I'm not reaction forward for. So if you want to hear the song, link to the original songs are going to be in the big description down below. Go support the artist. But I have to tell them that. Yo! But Mafi, deal with it.
Sizing up, them can't style me, them not
Bright enough.
Yeah. Next one by the dust.
I agree to that song. Read it. Blood not. A Gaza sign? That not gonna fly past my eye them so. Let me see what I go on there so. Kerchief round neck. Blood. I joke man, I'm not go so far but Gaza sign. Run you on, huh?
My blood clot rifle up. What do them boy I was sizing up? Them can't style me, them since not right enough. Food, we are taking make soup for...
Oh, you know somebody from backside guy. But just take a 7 brother Guyana. How the hell am I gonna know somebody from Guyana? How the hell would I know someone from? I was just gonna say I know this guy, but never mind. I'm go back in that song, yeah, man. Fucked up.
So me put it on mute. Brain a go fly that I never jet blue. One call make it fully dance, them let loose. Shoot.
Brain a go fly that I never jet blue. That are the airline company in the youth. Buckle it. And you are gonna tell me you no forward from Jamaica. Go on, what is I gonna say?
Don't take care, gangster no shoot youth. 1 mile more tougher than a dozen breadfruit. Hype ya look, you shoulda take a
breadfruit. The reference them. The bars, the punchline them. Youth, you're bad. You're bad. Guyana. Him bad? If him bad don't want to see that comment section, people. The fire emoji them right now. Drop them. Drop the fire emoji right now in the comment section and see if you watch reaction boss reaction to this point and don't like the video yet. Just slap a like on the video. Just box the video in his face and slap a bad like on the video because since we're not ramping over here. Run June.
Next route, tell your family if you pray all of them are dead soon. Next one by the dust. All of my blood.
Hold on. All the man family are all the man family are page to dog. I saw you go and brawl in that Russian dog. Yeah, the page dog family. Yo, want to hear the chorus again? Go on.
Right enough.
Yeah.
Next one killer man. Jump on the same beat, pussy a second and never know me woulda forward with another one.
Me miss couple lyrics a while ago and that don't right.
Killer man, jump chop him up fine. Third wrong decision. Mini G now for badness and the brand new edition. Take a 1 month still make it wrong decision.
So basically the person in my class should take 1 month for reply to the song. That go on. And that go on. I mean I assume that I don't know no. Me just talk, you know. We talk on mind up as a creation boss, don't afraid for talk, you know. But we are listen what I said though. I hear chat. What else you have to say about the boy then? Because make the wrong decision. Go on.
Mini J come me have a beat with precision. Chop him up fine. Surgical division.
You hear them bumbo clat lyrics here? Mini Draco we have a beat. Man say chop him up fine. Surgical bumbo clat. Youth. You wanna Guyana? You don't come from Guyana, dog. You don't fall from Guyana, dog. Them girl want bad boy with cute face. If you still watch me to that party. What else you have to say, youth? And the man do everything just like Jamaica too. Well, Then I'm gonna say just like Jamaica, because Jamaica alone exists. Me if you realize that. The man them cut up weed with scissors and things, see him here, dog. You see me I say, yeah, you see them thing there. But go on.
Don't bite for me, bait ya fisherman. Which rape a friend, my friend want kill a man. Jump on the same big pussy a second and
Oh, I really clash in my clash somebody than that. Yo, people, more know who my clash. Come and rest that song the same time. Because I'm saying up on the same beat. Pussy a second hand. That means say you call one of them friend them a rape man, but him friend will want to murder somebody. Hey, send me the bumbleclad artist that we my clash with. More know no. Comment it down below in the comment section. You can spam that. That's all I want to do, spam in the comment section. More know who we my clash right now. You man bad.
if I know me woulda forward with another one.
Next one, bite for love. And the song done. The song done.
Anything on the dead.
The song done. Yo, more know who we my clash. Who have facing those car ups a while ago? Yo, I'm out. I'm gone. I forget them two videos for post phone right now. I 2 videos I get in the Guyana. Alright? Big up on yourself.